And, you know, you can always use the directions, but who needs those? I like a challenge. Figure it out myself. All right, here we go. Whoop. All right, there's our top. There's our hole. Here we go. Stick it in. Cha-ching. Slide it in. Look out, here comes Sneaky. Bam, done. See what my record was. See if I can do it within a minute. Bam, in. Here we go. And again, remember, it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's a little adage that you can remember so that you can get them hooked in good. Bam, done. Set her down. Get over here. Split it apart. Get on that bad boy. Get close. Chop it. Chop it. Let's go to 14. Get her on 14. Twist her. Squeeze it. Pop it. Get her on 14. Twist her. Squeeze it. Pop it. Bam. Ready to go. That's my third one. All right, here we go. See if I can break my record. 1 minute and 20 seconds. All right, bam. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Stake that vampire, stake that vampire. All right, let's go put these bad boys in and see how they look. All right, so the first thing you want to do before you work on anything electrical, even though it's 12 volts, is turn off the electricity. So, all right, here's our lamp that's burnt out. Here's our new lamp. We're gonna go ahead and first of all, pull that sucker out of the ground. And there we go. And this one's gonna be pretty easy. It's just hooked to those two. No big deal. All right, first things first, let's cut this bad boy. All right, done. This one, I set it here because I'm gonna use it for video. All right, so we gotta put that one on there. And so what I gotta do is I gotta clean this up and rewire it. Not too big of a deal. All right, first things first, I got to get it cleaned up. Get this wire off of it. And it's got some nice, these are good wire nuts. So I want to probably try to use them again. But it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. Because they're not letting me do that, are they? All right, so anyway, let's just pull them. Let's just do this. Let's get that out of there. You know what? Screw it. We're cutting it. Put new ones on. Bam. It's just so much easier just to use a new. Bam. Pull her apart. Clean it off. Go to 10 on your on here. Give it a good squeeze, twist it around, pop it off. Bam, there you go. You got a nice clean line. Good contact. Same thing on this side. Get it, twist it, pop it off. Bam. Look at that. Nice wire. Lots of good wire. Very simple. Twist it together. I may have a little bit too much on this side. So let's just go ahead and cut that off there. All right, now, we got to hook our lamp to it. So we get rid of this shit, bring our lamp over, and it's pretty simple. This one we don't really need that big of wire nuts, so we're going to use smaller ones. We use these little itty bitty ones. They're big enough, they'll work. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hook it up. All right, so what you got to do is you want to twist it the way the wire nut's going to twist. So you got to twist it clockwise, okay? Then when you put the wire nut on, you're going to screw it clockwise. You're going to screw it until it pulls all the way in. Just like that. Nice and tight. Go all the way up so you get all that stuff inside there. Now we got to do the other one, right? Same thing. You want to, I got a little bit too much on here, so I got to cut some off. Here we go. Now, we're going to get our wire nut on there. We're going to twist it in the direction that the wire nut is going to thread. Okay, so then we're going to get the nut on, and we're going to twist it clockwise. We're going to do that until it gets down there nice and tight. Okay, now they're both tight. Now I'm going to tape these together. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of tape. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to get them nice and tight, and I'm going to roll it right around on the bottom of both of the things. And then I'm going to come up onto the wire nuts themselves. I don't want to screw it up though. All right, there we go. Get her on that wire nut. Come back down. Get it right at the base so it doesn't get any leakage in there. And that's good. That should work. I want to have that facing back. And then I'm just going to push it down in there. And that's our path light. I have to get some pressure on it. I gotta stand up. Get it in there. Bam, done. All right, looking good. All right, we're gonna turn it on and see how we did. Hopefully everything works. All right, so they're on, but you can't tell because they're very light, low wattage.
All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff that I've never done before, but if I can do it, so can you. Peace out.